G'day, this is Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. Just want to show you this. So we've got a slate roof and we've got plenty of debris this time of year, especially in Melbourne. Deciduous trees have got plenty of debris in the gutters. So as you can probably imagine, we cannot get up on that roof to clean the gutters, especially not on this upper section here. We could at least do it off the veranda, but in this case, we've chosen to use a gutter vacuum here, and I've got my trusty colleague Tim going to be operating this. We'll show you firsthand how it works. So with this bit of gear, it's pretty smart. We can actually see very clearly, as you can see here, there's a camera system which allows us to see what we're vacuuming, and we can also inspect your downpipes. Clearing of the downpipes is not normally included in the work, but we can certainly quote to do that for you if there are blocked downpipes on site. Now, the other thing I should mention is that we can do vacuuming on gutters up to 4 stories high. The only time that it's not possible is if there's a gutter guard on the property. Okay, I'm going to show you firsthand through this camera here how it works. Tim's just going to turn it on and then folks, so this is a great example of how we check the downpipes when we are vacuuming. As you can see, this whole section of gutter has been cleaned by the vacuum, and when we get to the downpipes, we do put the vacuum into the downpipes to where the elbow is. Yeah, so that's all we're interested in as gutter cleaners, is to make sure that that elbow, and Tim's checking that on his monitor down there, so he knows if it's severely blocked in there. He would know. In which case we can quote you to flush the downpipes and see if we can help it that way. All right, so hope that helps you understand the process of vacuuming. And I'll just show you a little bit in action where Tim is now. So you can see how it works, yeah. So it is a bit of a process, but I guess this is the reality when you can't clean the gutters by hand, you know. Then this is the only way that we can do it. So he'll be doing this right across all the gutters, front and back, you know, across the property, and probably also in these joins where the gutter valleys are, you know, we'll pick up all that debris. So I hope that gives you a sense of how we work. You can see we've already cleared that section, and we're going to start on this section here now. Hope that's helpful, folks. I'll just show you. The last thing is show you here. Where the gutter has been cleared. Yeah. Okay. Hope that's helpful. Just a few bits, I'll get Tim to pick that up. Yeah, it looks like they might have been fell behind, but yeah, basically the gutter's clear, and we'll do the same thing right across the rest of the property. Hope that's helpful, folks. So if you need a gutter clean and you need a gutter vacuum clean, we can accommodate that for you, no problem. Let us know and we'll organise that. Thanks again.